we have 30 divided by into 6 divided by 3 plus 3 divided by 3. Here, many people do this. We have 30 divided by, in the parentheses, they will consider addition first. We have this, that is 6 divided by 3 plus 3, that gives us 6. Then divided by 3. Then here we have 30. In parentheses again, we have 6 divided by 6, that will give us divided by 1, then divided by 3. Now here in the numerator, we have 30 divided by 1, that will give us 30 divided by 3. Then here 3 divided by 1 and 3 into 30, that gives us 10. When as such, we have 10 here. But this answer is wrong. When as such, this first approach is completely wrong. Now, to solve this correctly, we are going to have this 30 divided by into 6 divided by 3 plus 3 all over 3. Right here, we are going to apply this order of operation we call PEMDAS. Then from this expression here, first considering this operation, we have a parenthesis and we have exponents, no exponents here. We have multiplication, but there is no multiplication here. And here we have division, we have addition, no subtraction. Then as far as following this order right here, we are going to first of all consider the terms inside the parentheses or bracket. But as such, we are going to have this 30 divided by, in the parentheses we have certain orders here to be considered. See, following this here, we are going to first of all consider division before addition, because division is of high priority than the addition. Then as such, we have here 6 divided by 3, that will give us 2, then plus 3 and all over 3. Then right here, still in the parentheses, we are going to consider this addition, and we have addition here. Then as such, we have here 30 divided by 2 plus 3, that will give us 5. Then all over 3. Then still in the numerator, we are going to consider division now. We have division here. We are going to 30 divided by 6. 30 divided by 5, that will give us 6. Then all over 3. And here, this is a division again. We have 3, we divide 7 and 3 into 2, 3 into 6, that is 2. Therefore, the correct answer here equals 2. And this is the right answer to this given expression right here. Do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more interesting videos. See you in the next video.